MPP ETL is a powerful low-code, no-code tool. It works with both structured and unstructured data and gets it ready for advanced analytics. It also has AI-powered features to make your work easier. Insurance companies use Excel forms to collect and report data. These forms can be very complex, with hundreds of fields, formulas, and rules. Filling them out by hand or moving the data between systems is slow and full of mistakes. So how does MPP ETL help? For this demo, we used a complex insurance form from California. You can take a filled form and quickly transform all the data into a database-ready format, like PostgreSQL. The reverse is also possible. MPP ETL can take database data and rebuild the Excel form while keeping its structure and regulatory rules. With MPP ETL, you can work with any form, save time, reduce mistakes, and get accurate insights.